What if I told you that you don't need fancy machines or a packed gym to build wide, powerful shoulders? All you need is a pair of dumbbells and the right plan. Shoulders are made up of three main muscles: the front delts, side delts, and rear delts. To build a strong, round, and balanced look, your workout must hit all three. And dumbbells are perfect for this because they force each arm to work independently, improving strength, balance, and muscle control. Let's start with the foundation of any shoulder workout: dumbbell shoulder presses. This move targets the front and side delts while also engaging your triceps. Sit or stand tall, keep your core tight, and press the dumbbells overhead in a controlled motion. This is where you build overall shoulder mass and strength. Next, it's time to focus on width. Dumbbell lateral raises are the key to broader shoulders. Use lighter weights, lift your arms out to the sides, and stop at shoulder level. Don't swing the weights. Slow, controlled reps will light up your side delts and create that wide, capped shoulder look. Now let's balance things out with the back of your shoulders. Rear delt raises or bent-over dumbbell flies are often ignored, but they're critical for posture and injury prevention. Lean forward slightly, raise the dumbbells out and back, and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Strong rear delts make your shoulders look fuller from every angle. To finish, add dumbbell front raises for extra detail and definition. Lift one or both dumbbells straight in front of you, keeping tension on the shoulders the entire time. For best results, perform 3 to 4 sets of each exercise with 10 to 15 controlled reps. Focus on form, not ego lifting. Rest 45 to 60 seconds between sets, and progressively increase weight as you get stronger. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Stick to this dumbbell shoulder workout, fuel your body properly, and give your muscles time to recover. If you want strong, wide, and athletic shoulders, this is how you build them with dumbbells.